Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to begin with the essentials and take action now. Update YouTube, then restart your phone to remove transient glitches. Once done, clear the app cache and confirm YouTube has necessary display permissions. Make sure system display scaling or zoom is off because that commonly prevents true full screen. After these quick fixes, open Shorts and try swiping up so you can check whether full screen behavior changed. If it didn't, proceed to the deeper settings in the next step. Now you dig into app and system settings. Force stop YouTube and relaunch to reset its view state. Test a short in both portrait and landscape to isolate orientation issues. Next, go to Android display settings and explicitly allow YouTube to use full screen. On iOS, check display zoom in settings display. If you're on YouTube beta, disable any experimental flags because they often break full screen. Once done, reinstall the app if the problem persists, which resets corrupted app files. Finish by reinstalling YouTube and signing in again to ensure a clean install. Once reinstalled, test Shorts on both Wi-Fi and mobile data and temporarily disable VPNs or ad blockers that can interfere with content rendering. If full screen still fails, factory reset is overkill. Instead, capture a short screen recording and send detailed feedback to YouTube including device model, OS, and app version. This helps them reproduce and fix the bug. Meanwhile, use the browser version as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.